Hi guys, in today's video I'll be creating this super sultry black smoky eye look which I have paired with this gorgeous oxidized jewelry. Honestly, this kind of a dark black smoky eye cannot go wrong with oxidized jewelry. So first I'm gonna start off by applying eyeshadow on my eyes. So I've taken the Warrior eyeshadow and this is from their Blend the Rules collection. I've picked up that warm matte brown eyeshadow and applying that as a transition on the crease. Then I'm taking the Kohl of Honor Kajal in the shade black and applying a base for my black eyeshadow to stick on. So I'm just scribbling the pencil all over the eyelids and keeping it under the crease area. Once I've applied the pencil, I have just taken a pencil brush to smoothen out the edges of the Kohl pencil. Now I'm picking up a matte black eyeshadow from the same palette and just applying that wherever I applied the kajal so that the eyeshadow is more intense. Again, I'm going to pick up the warm brown shade which is matte on the same pencil brush and applying that where the black ends on the crease so that there is a smooth transition. Moving on to the face, I'm taking the base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer and just applying that all over the face so that the surface of the skin is super smooth and my foundation sits properly. For foundation, I'm choosing a full coverage foundation. This is the Rage for Coverage foundation, which is amazing for such kind of bolder looks. So I'm just applying that all over the face and this just gives a flawless, smooth, even base. To highlight, I'm taking the Magic Wand concealer in the shade Corn Panna and just applying that to my under eyes because I do want my under eyes to look nicely concealed and brightened because we have a dark, deep, smoky eye going on. Now to set everything in place, I'm using the All Set to Go banana powder and just baking underneath my eyes. This will prevent any concealer creasing and also to control your oil. Again, I'm using the same Kohl of Honor Kajal on my lower waterline and lower lash line and smudging it out using the brown matte eyeshadow. Once that is done, I'm just going to brush off all of the excess powder away and set the remainder areas of the face as well using a light layer of the powder. Then for mascara, I'm using the Lash Mob mascara and just applying few coats of this to my top and bottom eyelashes. To contour, highlight and add a bit of blusher, I'm taking the Contour de Force palette in the shade Fierce Speed. So I'm just adding some bronzer, blush and highlight. Finishing off the look with the Time to Shine lip gloss in the shade Princess Aurora, which is a beautiful shimmery lip gloss, and I think this lip gloss went very beautifully with the eye makeup that I created. To set everything in place and to lock my makeup, I'm using the Grand Finale Setting Mist in the variant Matte. And here is the finished final look.